You're an education voter, motivated by your concern for North Carolina's strong system of public schools. Voting for our schools is important, so let's do it right. The General Assembly plays a huge role in education. From per-pupil funding to teacher pay, from vouchers to charter schools, our state representatives and senators are crucial players in our schools. Want to know how your members voted on some of the most important education bills from the last session? For this example, we will look up House Bill 90. To look up the vote count of a bill on the NC General Assembly website, enter the bill number in the Find a Bill search box. For House bills, enter the letter H before the bill number. For Senate bills, enter the letter S before the bill number. Scroll down until you reach the vote count. A single bill could be voted on several times, so select a vote record to see the history. You can see that 104 members voted yes and 12 voted no. Click on the vote count to view a list of representatives who voted for and against the bill, as well as those who did not vote on the bill. To view how a particular member of the House or Senate voted, start from the home page and select Votes on Bills under the Shortcuts section. Select the Voter History Report link for either the members of the House or Senate. Select a member to view their vote history. Exercising your education vote is crucial for our public schools. Now that you know how to research legislative votes, you'll be able to follow your delegation more purposefully. Public Schools First NC will keep you informed about all the education bills on our website and on Facebook. Now you'll be able to keep up with your own reps as well.